back to another vlog. What's up? How you doing? If you're new, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. If you're old, you know you're the usual. Big up yourself. Love you. Enough respect. Yep. Right now, sister country. I'm in Clarendon. I'm home. I'm currently in my room right now. Like, yes, my bed and all them stuff there. So I just a while ago I went in the drawer and I found this blanket. I just threw it on the bed because it's what I'm going to use to cover it. Though, like, why am I so hot? No, I'm actually watching news. Every night I do play news whether I'm at my yard or I'm at home. What I call this? This is home, that's a yard. So when I'm in Monique, so news I play right now on the TV. I'm in my top where if you guys follow me long time on Instagram. If you not follow me, should not follow me at It's Dominique. And it's underscore DOMI. DOMIQUE underscore. Yeah, we're out for dinner. Aki and saltfish with some pear on the side. I took some for mommy. So I got to give her. More what? Pear? Come in. So I'm mixing my pear there because my food won't answer for more. Like, ugh. And with that we're having some, I think it's mango pineapple juice. So I'm gonna cut a piece more of the pear for mommy. Hey guys, this is like the next day of the clip wanna just watch. Today, you know, I could literally give you guys a lot of clips today. Not exciting clips, but clips where it was me and my mother. I was around my mother, I was around my father, I was not all around with everybody. Ugh, but I don't know what's going on with me. But literally, I'm going to start include people other from me because you guys must be tired to see me. So when my mom is outside, so when she come in, I get the camera rolling and she is featureable at the time. Yeah, so I just washed my hair today. My hair looks so mad, so I just washed my hair and yes guys, a whole heap of hair did I see that? Whole heap of hair. I'm gonna dry it and then cornrow it, throw some cornrow right inside of it so I can wear my wig. I'm not going back outside with my hair looking like this. Today I look so crazy. That's one thing why I couldn't even take up the camera to make a vlog. I looked so crazy. Yep, so that's what is up. I know from longer time you guys were used to me giving like tours of my house, like when Christmas cleaning did go on and so forth at home. But I wasn't here for Christmas, but I mean, this is what mommy did with our stuff and all of that. I like the drape look of this curtain. I like how everything just come in. Like, it is so, you know African people, all them stuff look. My mother got the thing like, you know, it's like yeah. Oh my god, I'm gonna dry the hair then come back. Yeah, may I put on clothes? May I come? Okay. Guys, I just felt like I was gonna come back and show you guys, like, let's do a little throwback photos inside the house. You guys can hardly see mommy This is when mommy was about 20 something. Yeah. When mommy was about 20 something. And so since mommy started working as a teacher, this is a teacher's day gift that they gave her. Me and mommy, when mommy graduated with her master's degree from UTech. So yep. We have no more photos. This is me, literally me. Me when I was probably, I really don't know. I should ask mommy how old I was. Peek me on the background, so look for me. Look for me, yo. Listen. Why? This is like such a throwback. Let me go around the living room and see what's going on around there. Alright, this is another, you know, like regular school photo. This is mommy, my twin. This is me. This is me. Lord God. Then me when I graduated from high school, 2014. That's when I feel like I did big man. Graduated me a big man. Mommy here again. And then there's some few little pictures. I have a lot of photos in my room. I remember me telling some not care me here. I'm gonna get to it. So I talk to the dung so. So I have a lot of photos in my room, but we're not gonna. And oh, the painting here, this painting around there, my dad gave my mom for her birthday. In what year is this? 2006. This was when mommy was going to Montego College. That's the photo she took when she was going to college. So guys, good morning. I'm about to turn on the TV right now. Oh my god. I'm gonna watch some vlogs. I'm bored. Looking for YouTube. Over. I wanna do into this like Sunday. Today I'm gonna cook oxtail for the first time. I'm excited, but at the same time I think oxtail just cook like how you cook regular pork, eh? So yes. That looks a quite pretty video. Oh, I'm sorry. I can make you remote one battery now. So every time I'm searching for something new, I gotta press clear. Come make your remote now work. Are we clear? Yeah, see the clear and I make us out the remote. Alright, so the dog need to come up over here, so. And if you do too much work, him just come up like that. So I started to watch this one. The one that started and ended up in falling. This advert is not done. Oh. Alright, so glad I start watching my already, so alright, we can stop right there. So see me? Face no I shouldn't no go on for me yet. Oh. So yeah, I get a vibe sometimes when I watch quite pretty videos. Not all the time. Like I'm not always in the mood to be watching stuff because brawliness and all the time I can bother with it. You understand me? Very picky. Anyways, I'm gonna be doing this for quite a while, so I'll catch up back with you guys. Peeps, it's only in Jamaica people call you and say, call you and you answer, and them say, you get up? Like them call it and you say, yeah, you get up? Or mother answer you, mommy say, you get up? I mean, or mother answer you. So, just put up on the outside fridge. Mommy is going to cut it up. Let's nicely put it down. Down the back. Outside. This is outside. So guys, all I'm here is of living in country. I the first make up callaloo, and listen, I did not know that you have to strip the callaloo. Like, mega show the guys on my top about. Like, you have to strip it, but I'll show you. Mama, let me put that one here in the bag here because this is mine. So I'm gonna strip some more. Let me show you say you have to strip callaloo. We never know. Say you have to strip callaloo. So this is how you deal with it now. So this is something where I cut it in with the cutting board because I cut off my hand. And then this is some water I used from before with the callaloo. I mean the callaloo, I'm gonna take my need to change the water, callaloo. And I see him callaloo. So first I'm gonna wash it off with the water. Listen, ladies, gents, I never knew that callaloo did have to go strip down and all them something. The time they are cut and mommy I say, ooh, you strip them down, and I say, strip them down? What you mean? And she say, yeah, to get off the coarseness. So when you eat callaloo and it tastes extra coarse, probably I strip them down, strip it down. So mommy I say, you never get that part of cooking there? And I say, nope. And then furthermore, I don't buy callaloo we want to strip or cut up because supermarket got them already cut. So more likely them already strip and everything. So, and the last time I purchased a callaloo way, they do want to cut up. And one of my friend me beg come in my yard. Well, she came to look for me, and then I used opportunity because she know she good pan them look for something here. And I said, I have some callaloo and you can cut them up for me. And then she did, went ahead, cut them up nice for me. And everything was Gucci. It's alright. Let me show you now. So this is it. So you have the top of the callaloo and like you cut it and then you pull it down. You have to get off them something they off it. And then you come again and you come pull it down. Mommy said this make it coarse, I may believe so. Because when I start cut it the first time it did hard to cut up. Now it just easier by far. So I was sitting on all along, but I decided to stand up. This is the only way I would have been able to show you guys. Oh my God, Raina, come! You can make me have to go in, you know. I mean, I'm going to cut up my callaloo, you know. Let me guys show you how oversaw look. Let me show you how oversaw. Look there. You can see. Furthermore, see the sky there. It is about to rain. Talking to Uno, it seems like the rain just dropped on me. I don't know if water out of my mouth. Yeah, so that's all you strip it. And then I don't want to put the cutting board on it to fall in. So this inside here, I'm gonna just put it on here so, and then just, you know, yeah. That's a little tutorial on how you cut up callaloo. So, for those who never knew, so that's a little tutorial for how you cut up callaloo. And then we just slice it up, like, you know, to make the pieces them smaller, to cut it in the thing. And that's what I do until I cut it up. Yeah. So we're entering the fridge for the oxtail. Did the fridge have one bag of something in there? I don't know what. Come at me. Oh, chuck up and tie the fridge look. But we're gonna chef up the oxtail today. Be the first time in my life. To be honest, I haven't had oxtail in forever. The last time I had some oxtail was 2018 when we were in US. But my come country, my mom feel like she wants. I put the thing. I'm gonna eat little good food before I go to my yard. So yes, she seasoned from overnight. So no said this well marinated with seasoning. Not God. Feel like tea for 1 2 of the oxtail, 1 2 or 1 3, probably 1 4. Wrap up one backyard down there. Nah, we ain't gonna do that. Anything we'll do, we'll purchase one thing and do it from scratch. So yeah, the pot well hot right now, and I'm gonna salt out that part and put oxtail to pressure, because this can't cook without pressure. So yep. Mommy, all that work. Don't mind the people. Please, I really want paint. Oh my god. Whoa, that looks really bad. That is the ankle, yeah? Remember funny in Canada vlog, them me tell me about the ankle, I give me trouble. It's back at it again. Of being at country, you get fruits in abundance. You have to buy it. Yeah, big up the cabalik in the background. Boy, mommy say cabalik good.
Yeah, he must like it. I call him. So.
The chicken neck. For do what? Gizzard, chicken foot and chicken neck. Listen, the country there, everything just in abundance like that. Why? I want to go take a shower. Chicken. No, sir. There's a factory around here. Some mommy send me come put on bush tea. Cercian. Mommy, Cercian what is again? Cercian what is again? It's bush or what? Cercian what? Quacker bush. Say good for thin out your blood. Cercian quacker bush. It good for thin out your blood. It good for corona now. Give you vitamin. Must see B, I'm not sure. But we'll definitely ask her, because she come with it, or whoever come with ask her what she say all of this good for. I'm here gathering myself them to take back down. Today I'm going down. Big old melon. We have cabbage, we have tomatoes, we have garlic, we have a little callaloo, and we have the best thing running town right now in Jamaica, the mangoes. And these are Julie, yeah, Julie mango. We have orange and orange them now. We have carrot, Irish, cocoa, bananas, plantains. Yep. So I'm actually back in Monique. I didn't come to close out that vlog from Clarendon, and that's what I'm about to do right now. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Continue to keep yourself safe and have a blessed day. Bye bye, and love you all till another video. I'm so tired, but